Hi, I am Sarah. Welcome to Insync Business Solutions. I will be available to help you in business. Insync Business Solutions is a leading management consulting company specializing in business, process consulting, and its services. Our diverse team delivers turnkey solutions with the right strategies, efficient processes, and cutting-edge technology to stay competitive. Transform your business with our innovative approach and personalized attention. Trusted by valued corporate clients for quality services and confidentiality. Insync Business Solutions is your one-stop solution for professional services. Accounts outsourcing. Focus on growth while we handle your accounting with precision. Taxation. Expert advice for tax compliance made easy. Audit. Assess your financial health and uncover areas for improvement. RFID management solutions. Embrace efficiency with streamlined inventory tracking. HR outsourcing. Simplify HR operations for seamless employee management. Information security control. Safeguard your data and systems with our comprehensive strategies. Registration and compliance. Stay on track with hassle-free registrations and compliance. ERP development and implementation. Enhance productivity with our customized ERP solutions. Corporate training and workshop. Invest in your team's growth through tailored sessions. Together, let's take your business to new heights. Contact us today at the number displayed on the screen to transform your business with our innovative concepts and top-notch services. Thank you.